Okay, for today we'll be doing here the preparation of your thin and thick smear for our malarial smear preparation. Okay, for this one, so we'll be needing here the collected blood of the patient collected during the febrile stage. Then you have your slides. Okay, the pencil here for labeling of our slides. Then applicator sticks. Okay, so first you need to label your slides with the patient's identification. Okay, so make sure here that you need to mix your blood sample here before you try to get a sample of that. Okay, with the use of your applicator sticks, we're going to transfer a drop of your blood in your slide. Okay, so just have a drop of the blood. Okay, and just let the slides smear here, okay, to dry up. Okay, this is your thin smear. Okay, we'll prepare another one. Okay, for this time, we'll be doing here the thick smear preparation. So again, you'll be needing also slide. First, you need to label your slide. Okay, so always allow your blood to be mixed first before you try to get a sample of that. Okay, so just a drop of the blood. Okay, and with the use of the edge of another slide, okay, you just need to spread it. Okay, then that's become your thick smear. Okay, then okay, you have already your slides here. Okay, so we'll just let it dry first. Okay, so these are the slides that we have prepared earlier. So we have here the thin smear and we have the thick smear. So basically the thin smear would allow us then to speciate the malarial parasite, and at the same time it also allows us then to identify the morphology of our RBC, because each of the species of our Plasmodium, we can identify it by also in terms of the observation of the morphology of the red blood cells. Like in the case of your Vivax, diba? That one would allow your red blood cells here to have enlarged and pale red cells, whereas in the falciparum and your Malariae would have a normal RBC morphology. And for the ovale, that one would have enlarged and oval. Okay, for the thick smear, on the other hand, this slide here would allow us then to recover the parasite, especially for the light parasitism. So just let it dry first here before we try to stain that one. But for the thick smear, you need this one to undergo dehemoglobinization before you try to stain that one. You can dip that one in your tap water in order for the hemoglobin to rupture here, in order for you then to identify the parasites. Okay, so we have already stained. We have here the thin smear. And for your thick smear, all you need to do is allow it to dry and then try to dehemoglobinize by tapping with your, by dipping that one in your tap water before you try to stain. Okay, so this is now the output. Okay, so this is our thin smear, this is our thick smear for our malarial smear, as our malarial smear for identification of our parasite malaria. Okay, thank you.